Alrighty, here's another example of us finding the derivative, y prime, of a quotient. So again, our rule is going to be low d high minus high d low over low low. And we'll never forget that. So I will start with low times the derivative of the high. So low times the derivative of the high. So the derivative sign would be cosine x minus high, so sine x, times the derivative of the low. And the derivative of e to the x is e to the x all over low, low. So that's e to the x squared. So I'm going to simplify this a little bit. I can factor out an e to the x on the top, and I'd be left with a cosine x minus sine x. And then down in the bottom, I could call that e to the x squared, or, you know what? I'm going to leave it as e to the x squared. Or I could think about it like that and cancel out some e to the x's. That'll work. So simplified, it'll look like a cosine x minus sine x all over e to the x power. That's all I can do.